Hey guys, it's Steve Zalunardo here with Remax West. It's our monthly review on the market. We're going to touch a little bit of what we were talking about last month and going into this month. So looking forward into this month, it's very similar to last month. We've had more inventory come on the market. We're at 12,000 units, which is the first time this year that we've hit this many units available in the GTA in Toronto. So it's up about 2,000 since I reported last month. And the market's very similar to what we had last month. So we're having bidding wars that are failing. Some are succeeding, some are failing, which I always say the anomaly properties that are placed on a good street, that are just a one-off property, they're still getting a bidding war, but not an extensive bidding war or excessive bidding war rather, where it's like 20, 30, 40 offers. It's like between 3 and 5 offers. And this actually, we did a deal last night on a property that would have had probably in Feb, March, probably about 20 offers, and there was only 4 offers that came in last night and we secured a deal for our clients. So that's awesome. So my advice to buyers and sellers currently right now, if you are looking to buy a property, I would advise you to sell before you buy. The coin has flipped where we don't need to be buying first and then selling later. That big rush of the market has finished where we're afraid of a depreciation on equity, where if we bought too early and we couldn't find a property by the second, third month, we lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's not the case right now. Market has stabilized. We can actually predict sales prices now. Even if there are holding back offers and they succeed in an offer, we can still almost predict that price to a T. So I wouldn't be worried about that. It's important right now if you sell, know what the money that you're dealing with, and then what you can buy. If you're in a smaller property and you're looking to upsize, you need to be doing it now, because what's happening now is the higher price houses are starting to stabilize and starting to come down in a descent, and these townhouse semi-detaches are still kind of holding tight pretty much to their value of, let's say, in March, early March, when they're going nuts in prices. They're probably 1 to 3% off, and let's say the larger properties are about 5 to 7% right now currently. That's come down. So you want to sell your town semi-detached currently, right? And then you're going to buy your detached later. So this is just some advice I'd like to give you. And I think another thing looking forward we need to be aware of, we can't forget about what happened January, February, March, where we had appreciation 10% month over month, just similar to 2017. History does repeat itself, because we know when we came out June, July, August, when we had these sales actually closed that were done earlier in the year, that appraisals weren't coming in, and there was a fiasco with late closings, pushed closings, and also houses that were put back on the market because the deals fell through. And again, if you're a buyer, this is going to be brilliant for you, because desperate seller probably holding on to another property at this time needs to sell this property. Prices are going to start to come down to accommodate a quick sale to get his cash out for his next property. So you could capitalize that. So just be prepared. I think if you are buying right now, even if you're a first-time buyer, check in with the bank, get everything done now. I think we spend more time shopping online and preparing for nonsense rather than our future. So if you can get everything aligned, deal with a mortgage broker, get everything aligned, how much money you can borrow, how much deposit you need to have, and just start looking out for property. You should start checking in now with a real estate agent and start getting sent properties. Even if you're not buying until the next 2 to 3 months, but you should get a feel of prices and what's available, because what happens with that is once you start seeing prices at one set amount, you start seeing it coming down, just naturally you're going to feel when to pull the trigger. So this is just my take on what's happening in the market. If you have any comments or questions, you can always comment below on this video, or you can always direct message me on Instagram or on my cell phone, or my direct line rather. And yeah, if you're enjoying these videos, if you find them helpful, like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.